Okay guys, welcome. So I pretty much came out to eat, and I've decided to talk a little bit about the trend going on in this hobby we call the audio world. You see a lot of reviewers tend to come out and they review stuff that they got for free from brands. I hope the audio is coming clear to you guys. I'm not using a mic or anything, so I just hope it's decent. But regardless, let's continue. You see, I've seen that a lot of content creators that get these free audio products like earphones, amplifiers, and anything free pretty much, they're not to be trusted. You know, the reason why they are not to be trusted is because there is nothing like value that they have given to get what they are giving you guys. They are pretty much giving you a regurgitated robotic review that would please the brand and not what is supposed to please you, the buyer. And I don't run this YouTube channel like that. I have never run that channel, this Aviatmos like that. The reason why is that the minute you start collecting products from brands, your integrity is pretty much ruined. I'm not saying you shouldn't collect stuff and review, but I like it to for reviewers that get this free stuff to tell the audience that, look, I got this stuff for free, but just know that I am going to be a bit biased in my assessment of this product, because if you're not biased, there is nothing like, because I've seen some reviewers, they will tell you, this headphone was sent to me and it doesn't influence what I am going to say about the headphone in question. And it's a lie, because it is going to influence it, because you never paid money to buy that $3,000 headphone. Because if you did, if there is a creaky sound on the headphone, you will certainly say that to your followers, your consumers. You would nitpick. You will at least nitpick. You would not just go out and say that it is fine and everything is all well and dandy. It doesn't work that way. It really doesn't work that way. I really feel that if you're getting free stuff, your authenticity is not very, very genuine, honestly. Now, is it that you shouldn't buy anything recommended by people that get things for free? No, you can still buy, but don't take the awards so seriously, because you're not going to get any serious review from them. I don't buy products because of reviews that I see. I buy products because of I see that, okay, this company has good quality control. That's the reason I promote FiiO products more on this YouTube channel than any other brand, because at least their quality control is good. I'm not even talking about the general performance of the product, but their quality control is at least very good. The major thing is to have a company that has very good quality control, and once that is good enough, then you can actually salvage every other thing there, because the other stuffs can be worked out. As quality control really matters a lot. Another thing there is that most of the expensive hi-fi stuff that you all buy is, how will I put it? These companies need to make money, so they give you what they can clear off and go make new stuff. So they may not really put in a lot of work, craftsmanship into making something that can last a long time for you. You can compare earphones or headphones made in the late 90s to now, because the quality that you get back then is pretty much not existent right now. So the quality right now is, I would pretty much say, not as good as what it should be, honestly. So you have to manage what you get right now. You don't expect to buy any HiFi earphone regardless of the price, and I'm talking of the $1,000-$2,000 earphones, and expect to use them for 6-7 years. It really may not last that long. It's going to break, and that's the reason why I do not preach expensive HiFi earphones. I never promote that to you guys to go buy, because I never see value in those products that actually that is better than at least the budget or mid-segment products overall. So that is the thing that I'm saying in this rant, pretty much. I'm not saying that you shouldn't buy products based on what some of these reviewers are telling you, but just know that 90% or whatever they're saying is not really the honest truth. Any reviewer that is getting anything for free is not going to tell you the honest truth. The only person that can tell you the honest truth is someone that spent his money on a product. I don't care whether the person is a YouTuber or that is the reason why when I'm hyping the KBEAR, I have a reason to hype it, because I spent my money on the KBEAR and I'm comparing it against other products I spend my money on. If a company sent me the KBEAR, I will be biased. Not even just the KBEAR. So for instance, okay, I compared the KBEAR against the JadeAudio EA1 yesterday, and a lot of people are saying, no, you're wrong, the Jade is better just because the Jade is more expensive, and that is not true. The Jade is not better than the KBEAR. It doesn't even measure better. It's a V-shaped earphone. It doesn't really have a refined sound, and not that the sound is bad, but it's not what I would call top tier sound. But you see people not happy about that, because there is this notion that is going around that the more expensive stuff must be better than the cheaper stuff. It doesn't work that way. The more expensive stuff don't work better than the cheaper stuff. It's not the way it's supposed to work. And I personally believe that if you're going to spend your money on a HiFi product, you deserve to be able to give your opinion on whether the product is better than what you've spent money buying the more expensive stuff out there. So that is pretty much what I'm getting at right now, because I see a lot of misconception going on right now, and a lot of people are pretty much saying that it's better for you to spend more money on earphones or headphones or whatever you want to spend, DACs and all that. You get better performance from that, and it's not really the case. It doesn't work that way. So that's my opinion, and I'm still of that strong opinion that you should stop listening to shill robotic reviewers that get these things for free. They ain't gonna add any value to you regardless. They are in it for the money. You understand? If they at least they get it for free. They get the product for free. They can at least sell the product and get their money back. So even if the company sends this stuff for them for free, and they are not able to sell a bunch of them through their links and all that, and trust me, I do affiliates on the channel. I make good money from affiliates. I know how many products I sell. I actually even know the companies that perform very well via my links on this channel. I know very well what is performing very, very well. I know the brands that if I target more, I would make more money promoting those brands, but I don't do that. The reason for that is that there is no need for that. I don't need to shield for these companies because they don't sponsor me, they don't give me things for free. Even though I promote their links to make my money, because I run a business here, it's not for free, it's not show friends, it's show business. I have to make my money. I still understand the fact that I will have to spend my money and promote those links and get sales in. Yes, the company gets sales, but I have to make my money. But at least the company doesn't send me or influence me to say good things or nice things. If there are problems like quality control, take a look like the BGVP DN2 that has serious quality problem, from the MMCX to the drivers that are not beryllium in the shell. I announced it to you guys, and that goes to Moondrop and other companies. And a lot of people say I'm a Moondrop hater. I don't like Moondrop. I actually do like some Moondrop products. If it's good, then I'll hype Moondrop products if it's good. But if it's not that good, I don't see a need to hype Moondrop. So it's really not worth it, honestly. So that's the rant right now, guys. Stop taking reviewers seriously. These reviewers that get free stuff for serious, any one of them. I don't even care if the person has 1 million subscribers. Stop taking them seriously. And that is it, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like our content. I'm going to see you guys next time.